Hello everybody, my name is Fester Bolji, and this is my final project for real-time audio and language processing. Today, my final project is on emotion recognition in song. I'll be using this Raspberry Pi to take in song audio for about a minute in this demo. And the code, I'll explain the code a little bit. These are the different libraries at play. This is the setup for the Raspberry Pi, for the ReSpeaker hat, which I will be using the latter, the ReSpeaker hat, to take in the audio from the computer for about a minute. And then I will save the file. It will be saved to a file, and that file will be used to run sentiment analysis on that file, so I can have a final verdict, so I can have a final, so I can determine the final sentiment of the audio. So here is the setup for the Raspberry Pi once again. So I'll be focusing on 3 factors: tempo, pitch, and lyrics. Okay, so it will be, again, I call those functions here. I have the lyric count. Okay, then this is sentiment analysis, and then it will also detect lyrics in real time as the audio is playing. It will have sentiment analysis ran on it the first time. And then once that is determined here, the detected emotion from the lyrics will be output. And then I have a math function, which the final score, to factor in all 3 of these variables, I will have a final function. It will rely 50% on the lyrics, 25% on the tempo, and 25% on the pitch. Okay, so that's the little math function that I have going on. And from that final score, the final emotion will be determined, the final sentiment will be determined to be either positive, negative, or neutral. Okay, and this audio will play for about a minute for 60 seconds. Here is set in max chunks. It will be set to a minute. Okay, then it will automatically stop the file, and then that file, once again, I will run sentiment analysis on that file. Okay, so let me restart this. And then here, once again, just the remainder of the code. So I'll be using Use Your Heart by SWV as my audio example. So let me do a quick demo. Okay, just listening. So it saved the audio. Okay. So once again, 1 minute. So it didn't perfectly pick up the audio, okay, but it will still be able to run an analysis on this audio. It will take a little bit, so let's wait. Yeah, it didn't perfectly detect the lyrics in real time, but also if you think about it, Instagram doesn't perfectly caption your audio, whatever you're saying. It doesn't capture it perfectly, even TikTok. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, so that was a minute. Still running. So the final sentiment with the lyrics, the tempo, and the pitch is positive. Okay, and that's the final score down there. And that's the final project. Thank you.